So where can you use your marketing mission statements? Your primary marketing mission statement should be used on your website, as we've just shown you, and we would recommend that on your home page. Other places they can be used, however, is on your business card. You can use it in your elevator pitch when you go to a network meeting, rather than standing up and saying, well, we do websites, we do commercial photography, we do social media marketing, we do social media training, we do coaching. If you just say, our job is to help your clients buy from you, boom, you've immediately communicated who it is, and then the people at the network meeting, if you do networks, go to network events and attend that, they're going to then instantly have a connection there, because they're going to think, oh, yes, I have a problem people buying from me. They don't seem to be buying my services or products from my website. Maybe these guys can help. Email footer is another good place. If you've got a standard footer, it can be a very good place to put that. Ad titles. Now we're going to talk about ad titles. We're going to talk about marketing titles in a little while, where we're going to go into this and show how to use this in a slightly different way, and that's really where ad titles are going to be used, also in social media posts. So your statement should now drive all of your copy and marketing material. So yes, we've got our marketing statement, yes, we've surrounded it with some social proof, but what we now need to do is to make sure that when people want more information about our claim, want more information about our statement, that we give them that information in the general copy, and we can give them a link straight to where they can find out more about what we're claiming. Again, we want to stay in simple English that they're going to understand and communicate with everything we sat down and figured out earlier. Do you see how this works now? Because by formulating this statement, you actually had to build up a worldview that your potential client has, or a lifestyle they're living, or a lifestyle they're trying to achieve, or a problem they're trying to solve. And now all of your marketing flows from this exercise of creating your marketing mission statement. It becomes extremely powerful. It becomes the basis of your company's marketing philosophy. You start to communicate to this all the time. And all the time now, you're targeting that niche client based on their perceived needs. And then you're communicating your services that can actually address their actual needs. But if you don't go through this process of making a marketing mission statement, this is the very first thing you should do when launching a new business. And if you don't go through this process, your marketing message will be vague, it'll be too broad, like we talked about earlier, it'll be artillery marketing. Make it very specific. And then develop your marketing from that position, that foundation. That's how important a marketing mission statement actually is. It becomes the foundation of your marketing.